Welcome to our comparison of two popular grooming products, the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 Pro and the Philips Beard Trimmer. In this video, we will explore their unique features, specifications, and help you decide which one is the best fit for your grooming needs. Let's dive in. The Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 Pro is designed primarily as a hybrid shaver and trimmer, featuring a unique 360-degree blade that allows for flexible grooming. It excels in providing a close shave and comfortable trimming experience. On the other hand, the Philips Beard Trimmer offers an all-in-one grooming solution with multiple attachments for various grooming tasks, including mustache trimming and body hair shaving. While the OneBlade focuses on versatility in shaving, the Philips caters to a broader range of grooming needs with its extensive kit. When it comes to pricing, the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 Pro is priced at $57, making it a more affordable option for those seeking a quality grooming tool. In contrast, the Philips Beard Trimmer is priced at $99, reflecting its comprehensive grooming capabilities. While the OneBlade offers great value for its functionality, the Philips' higher price may be justified by the variety of attachments it provides for a complete grooming experience. The Philips Norelco OneBlade features innovative blade technology designed for fast and efficient cutting, allowing for a close shave without irritation. This specialized blade needs to be replaced every 4 months for optimal performance. In contrast, the Philips Beard Trimmer utilizes standard stainless steel blades, which are durable but may not provide the same level of precision as the OneBlade. This difference in blade technology highlights the OneBlade's focus on delivering a superior shaving experience. In conclusion, both the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 Pro and the Philips Beard Trimmer have their strengths. The OneBlade is perfect for those who prioritize versatility and a close shave, while the Philips is ideal for users looking for a comprehensive grooming solution. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your personal grooming needs. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.